Hi and welcome to Anna and Alfie, and today what I thought we'd do is, well, we're here on a lovely sunny day and I thought we'd do something for the garden. Well, as you know, a lot of people like blue plant pots and they're so expensive, so I thought I'm not paying those prices. So what I thought I'd do is make one but a bit different and a lot cheaper. So let's start. This is that one I already bought, but like I said, it was quite expensive and I thought there's no way I'm buying another one at that price. So I bought just a regular terracotta plant pot. I think it was about £1.50, something like that. And then I had some blue satin paint that was already in my garage, but I'm sure that blue paint isn't that expensive. You could get tester pot from Wilko's at £1.50, something like that. But this is an all-surface purpose paint for interior and exterior use. So I thought we'd paint the terracotta paint and sparkle it up a little bit. So let's get it open. With just a regular paintbrush. I'm sure you can get from the pound shop. Thought we'd paint it. So, because this is an all-purpose, like for interior and exterior use, I don't actually need to use the water seal. But if you didn't, then you'd probably need to use a water seal paint if the plant pot was going outside. If it was staying inside, then no, you wouldn't need to use that. So what I thought we'd do is, just to make it a little bit different, is I've got some spare beads hanging around. I mean, you could decorate it with anything. So I just thought I'd get a few beads out and just pop a few beads on. And just decorate it around the edges, just to make the plant pot a little bit more exciting. So I've got a glue, I use it all the time. It's got a lovely name, sticks like shit, wonderful name, but it is absolutely fantastic. It's the only glue I use. I've used many glues before, Gorilla Glue. It costs a fortune and it's only a tiny one, but this is amazing. So yes, I do agree with it. So I put a tiny bit on and it works wonders. And then we'll just decorate them around the top. Just put them randomly. There we go.